Who we are the dreamers. We make it happen, 'cause we can see it.
Sanibonani babukeli bami emakhaya. This is a Lawford Walkers podcast, and of course, this is your host, Rebecca Mdluli. Now, today, ladies and gentlemen, we are podcasting live in Nelspruit at Virgin Active Red. Siyaphi na sifuna siswethu Nhlanhla wakankosi. We want to know, of course, ngasiswethu Nhlanhla ukuthi ungubani njengoba simatela Lawford Walkers. We want to know ukuthi uqhamuka kuphi, how is she finding Lawford Walkers. So, ladies and gentlemen, tune in while we go and get Nhlanhla.
'Cause we can see it. Because to the one that keep the passion, respect. Oh yeah, it's to the one. Oh yeah, it's to the one that can imagine, respect.
Like I said, ngiyonanzela Nhlanhla Nkosi. So ngihambile ngayomfuna Nhlanhla ngamthola. Ngithi bahlala lapho ngimlanze ejimini lapho Virgin Active Red. Angidlalanga naye. Nhlanhla, how are you? Ngiyaphila sithando. Uyabona ukuthi ngibuyile ngaze ngafika ejimini lapho. Ngaze ngathola. Right. So Nhlanhla ngitshela ngaNhlanhla ngibani?
Nhlanhla sesi ungake futhi uthatha jabula
Yebo.
Nhlanhla nje Nhlanhla uhlala smile
Yohlala
hey
Yeah. Alright, Nhlanhla, so namuhla ngifuna ukubuka ngeLawford Walkers. Uyijoyinile iLawford Walkers and weva kuphi ngayo?
iLawford Walkers ngayijona for me 2019.
Okay.
2019 silapha Commerce nejim ngale ePinari.
Yeah.
Sihlala ePinari.
Okay. Now we know.
Ngale ePinari nejim mase ngala Commerce. Sathola assistance komunye akasebenza Lawford.
Okay.
But she is right as he in this corner.
Say.
Yeah, I have this message as well as Jimmy was going to say that Jima and told us this woman that was this woman is in Lucas. When signal NG every Saturday by our kind of Lucas team.
Yeah.
Abakona. You walk up on Tala, Abakona Kamaku. Was a tourist in task. Oh, I'm going to tell about the time, no?
Yeah.
But you never shall have a happy and born and a tired. I have been tired.
What's me Nhlanhla?
Ngahlala kumndeni wabaLawford Walkers.
Yeah.
2024 ngisanda kuqhubeka futhi nawo.
Okay, Nhlanhla, I'm so happy ukuva ukuthi I think we've got to abantu bona ukuthi la sekhaya. So tell me, iLawford Walkers ever since wena uyijoinile, udiva unjani ngayo? Are you happy ngala ikhona khona, or do you feel khona lekumele bakungeke or khona lekumele bakuchinje?
No, from la siqale khona. Kuningi okujijile.
Yeah.
Sithuthukile manje.
Yeah.
Okay. Ngithemba ukuthi siyiLawford Walkers.
Absolutely. So, my challenges Lawford Walkers unawo. If unawo yini my challenges wakho?
So far it's
Say again.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I may ask, iLawford Walkers wena ikusida ngani? Like, why are you still Lawford Walkers and you are not going anywhere?
Okay, ngicabanga ukuthi ngene happy.
Yeah.
Healthy foods. Stress siyehla.
Yeah.
Ngicabanga nje ukuthi iSaturday ngiyabonga. Kuba nale njabulo leyo nje ukuthi ngohlangana nabantu labahebi labanekuphila. Kuyaphilwa manje.
Yeah.
Phila kuthini ukuthi baze bakunike umuthi onathi. Nje lokujabula ukuhlangana nabantu labajabulile.
Yeah.
Nawe noma uphasi emoyeni. Uyavuka
automatic nje manje.
Uyasukuma nawo ukithinzithi.
Yeah.
Ukwenzanga lapho.
Uyabona nje.
Yeah. Njalo nje.
So kule issue leyo ukuthi phela kubo kusihamba ekuseni. Like, do you have the funniest moments ngoba nawo uthola mhlambe sokhohle something endlini sewuseteksini because I know ngihamba ngeteksi.
Yeah.
Uhleze khamba kahle konke la.
Tata fika eteksini. Khohle wallet. Sometimes say kuyakhanya ukuthi yebo man. Ngiyatholela umthandi.
amagama lo
Hayi, yabonga Yabonga,
Guys, this is the funniest moment to get a phone because this is big saying sasa nomthomo wena ukuthola sowugcoke emagucule la angeke sibe njani ba hey unamanga ndhlahla seyabantu vula kuvalo ngemoto nje But nonetheless, Swami Buddha, trip manje siya eMozambique nasiswatini awalongo. Are you ready for it? Are you going?
Yes, I'm going.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah. Awusabi ukuthi elama-kilometers amaningi.
Ngokho, nasikaze phela abantu bahlala bakhuluma ngento ngayakho.
Yeah.
Angisho bahamba. Nami ngiyafuna uku-experience ngendlela.
Nayotivisa la.
Nayotivela nami. Nami ngizokhuluma ngento engiyakiwe bana.
Yebathuna.
Khona phela lakithi ngifuna ngibale ukuthi ngiyethinga
Kuvakala.
Yeah.
Embasada.
Yes.
So embasada kumele ibe yonke into ethini. Yabantu bonke
khona bachazela lebe basele.
Ngiyakubamba.
Hambe njani?
So ladies and gentlemen, ngiyabonga kakhulu sesihlanhla ukuthi ungiboleke isikhathi sakho rather ukuthi unyekele isitshojo ngavele ngigijimisile. Uyabona. So at least now people know about sesihlanhla ukuthi inhlanhla unonhlanhla kahle kusinhlanhla akafuni lona but sesinonhlanhla so namhlanje at least my beautiful people seniyamanje nonke sesihlanhla ukuthi wasepenali and uhappy ngeLawful Workers akayinzawo she is here to stay. So ladies and gentlemen, this coming Saturday nisijoyine sisoke sikamagugu we're starting our walk no 6 o'clock. Sithola which colors onje makala it was in South Africa.
Yes.
Because you know we're voters, so you bring on those South African colors, you wear them with pride. But mangabe now you are welcome to come to mangabe yimi. Njengoba sisho iLawful Workers, it's a home, it's a family. So sikumukela noma ngabe unjani. So ladies and gentlemen, mina sesihlanhla sithi #don't promise, commit. Bye.